Welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Trophy Motorsport once again for another installation day. And right over there, that's the car we are doing installation for today. So we have another CLA45S AMG sent in for our Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. As usual, we are going to install this Akrapovic titanium catback system for the CLA45S, and this is one of our best sellers for the 45S platform. So this Akrapovic exhaust comes with a titanium rear muffler section, also with a pair of these very beautiful carbon fiber tailpipes, which the inner layer are actually made out of titanium material and the outer layer carbon fiber. And down to the mid pipe section, so this is not titanium but stainless steel material. Now we have removed the factory exhaust out from the CLA45S and put it side by side together with this Akrapovic exhaust to have a comparison. First of all, on the factory system, on the mid pipe section, we can see that there's a very huge and restrictive center resonator, while on the Akrapovic exhaust they actually deleted this center resonator to make the exhaust sound louder. And back to the rear section, this is the factory muffler, so it's very huge and restrictive, and also this is very heavy. While on the other hand, this Akrapovic rear section is made out of titanium material, so this is very lightweight, and also with the brand new design, it actually provides the car a better sound without so much restrictions compared to how the factory rear muffler was designed. And of course, not to forget these beautiful carbon fiber tailpipes to complete the look on the CLA45S. With this Akrapovic exhaust installed on the CLA45S, it will definitely sound a lot louder and way better compared to how it was with the factory exhaust. And also you get the proper performance improvements by installing this Akrapovic exhaust, whereby you will get around 8.6 horsepower, 9.1 Newton meters of torque increase, and also a massive 9.6 kilograms of weight reduction over this heavy and muted factory system. this CLA45S that's sent to us today looks very aggressive on the outlook because the owner has already did some modifications on his car. First of all, the car has a full carbon kit from Future Design, which includes this very aggressive design carbon front lip by Future Design, and also the carbon front bumper inserts alongside with these carbon canards. And to the side, the side mirror covers has been replaced with these carbon covers. Also, the side skirts are by Future Design. To the rear, the car has been installed with this carbon fiber rear spoiler by Future Design. The owner also replaced the factory wheels with a set of these custom design forged wheels that is painted in black, while the brake calipers are in red color. Also, the owner has installed this Fogiago carbon intake on his CLA45S, and a set of these custom catless downpipes with a stage 2 ECU tune. We have completed yet another CLA45S with our Akrapovic exhaust upgrade, and this car has also upgraded the catless downpipes with the carbon intake and also a stage 2 ECU tune, so it will sound louder compared to the other cars that we did with only the catback system. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about the Akrapovic exhaust. How does it sound on the 45S? Let us know whether you prefer the sound with the catless downpipes or just the catback system alone, like all the other cars that we did previously. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.